Say, good morning.
Good morning.
Titus and I are going to take a shot this morning. Here you go. Here's yours. Okay. Wait. Here's mine. Say happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. Okay, drink your Ningxia. Is that good? Good job, good job. Why would you be taking a shot with your child? Let me just tell you why. Check this out. This is what Titus is drinking. This is a Ningxia Red, and there's some really amazing antioxidants in here, and it's by Young Living. Let me just read it to you. Wolfberry, there's different oils in here. Just all things that are, again, antioxidants, so they're combating inflammation. You're doing a great job, buddy. Doing a great job. Titus drinks about 1 ounce every day, and so does Mommy. And you know what's funny is I always gave it to him, but then didn't really take it myself. So I wanted to show you today what, as I'm preparing my body to grow a healthy human, what I've been doing every single day. And you may have seen me take a clear glass as well. No, it was not some fermented product. It was water. It was water, but then I added these amazing liquid minerals. So these are Vitasalis Liquid Mineral Complex. You can get these online. You can get them at so many different places. We're carrying them in the office too. All done? Good job. Say happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Oh man, look at that Ningxia face. I love it. So why would we take these? Couple reasons. One, we're always talking about healing our cell, which is so important. But they're, okay, hold on. Also, the environment that our cell is in is really important. And having the proper mineral balance is so important for nutrients being able to get into the cell, hormones to be able to get their message in the cell. That's really important. So the other thing is, minerals, of course, can help you with things like anxiety. Just overall body function, it's going to help with. So here's what I did. I filled this with water, and then I put 40 drops, because it's a liquid, 40 drops in that glass. And then it basically tastes like the ocean. I did it straight one time, and whoo, it was really bad. So then I chase it with some Ningxia, because it has some really great nutrients, and that's the one thing it just reminds me. So whether it's Ningxia Red or some other type of antioxidant drink, or some kind of a smoothie that has good things in it, just get in the habit of supporting your body. And it really is fun to do it with your other kids at home too, is get them in a habit, teach them why we take this stuff. It's fuel for our body, it's fuel for our brain. So now that we've done a 180, 360 in my messy kitchen, have a great day and good luck today preparing your body to grow a healthy human.